Hey everybody, this is Joshua with Survivor Classic Car Services of Central Florida. Today I am in St. Cloud. This is my buddy's truck. It's a 1968 Chevrolet Suburban, highly modified, and it's been built up to be a classic style show truck with a faux patina paint job. That's right, the exterior of this truck is painted to look patina. But I wanted to kind of go over a few things happening in the center console before we take this thing up on the road. And to do that, I'm going to switch to camera angle number 2. Okay, so right here in our center console, we got some switches, we got some controls with some extra gauges, and of course, we got cup holders. They hold cups. Right here on this row of switches, we got a couple of things to be noted about. This right here is actually our double horn switch. We have an Uga horn down here. And then we have a train horn, which I got people walking by, but that is relatively pretty damn loud. Next over here, the next 3 switches, we got a fan switch, we have our light switch, we have a USB plug-in, charge your phone, and this right here, this switch is for the air ride compressor, which leads me down to these controls. Right here we have a glow shift double setup, air pressure for the front, air pressure for the rear. This is the Air Ride Technologies controls. You can control all 4 airbags, front left, front right, rear left, rear right, and then you can have a row of presets. A lot of times people will do 1 for completely laid out, 2 for drive height, and 3 4 bags all the way up so you can service the vehicle or get over any larger obstacles in the way. With that being said, pretty much everything else is relatively easy to do and understand. Windshield wipers, lights, your 3-speed automatic shifter, RPM tach, and of course we have a Sony media display. This thing has a kick-in audio system in it. You've got all your amplifiers in a nice setup, by the way, and then 2 subwoofers in the back. This thing's got a great ride to it. Real smooth going down the road, even though it's got the air ride setup. It's set up exactly how it should be. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to learn more about this truck, the easiest way to do so is to head over to our website. I've got a fully detailed listing on this truck with about 150 plus HD photos outside, inside, and underneath, and a little bit of history about the build itself. If you have an interest in seeing this truck or coming to set up an appointment, all you gotta do is give myself a call, and my number is 407-279-1818. If you can't reach me, shoot me a text or leave me a voicemail, and I'll be sure to get back with you.